Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development of Nigeria and the world. The Independent National Electoral Commission has become a threat to Nigeria's democracy. The recent election, off-season election held in Kogi, Imo, and Bayelsa states have shown that the Independent National Electoral Commission has lost the confidence of Nigerians in its capacity to conduct free and fair election that is acceptable to all Nigerians. Many people had hoped that the Independent National Electoral Commission will redeem itself after the abysmal performance in the general election in February, that they will redeem themselves in this off-season governorship elections in these 3 states. But they even performed worse than they did in the February election. Never in the history of Nigeria has people lost confidence in an institution that is supposed to choose leaders for them. And they are a huge disappointment. That is why the Independent National Electoral Commission should be disbanded. Should be disbanded and overhauled. Or better still, the Independent National Electoral Commission, as presently constituted, should not conduct the 2027 general election. That election should be outsourced to the United Nations to conduct it for Nigeria. Because with the way they conducted this election on Saturday, with what people are complaining about, with the reports coming out from it, even with the embarrassing uploads in their iRiv and everything else, they have lost it. They don't have the moral right to conduct election in 2027. Because that would be burying the democracy in Nigeria. Already people believe that democracy in Nigeria is dead. If this INEC is allowed to conduct the 2027 general election, democracy will be buried. So the best thing, disband INEC, let the United Nations conduct the next election in 2027, and then let the United Nations help Nigeria to set up electoral institution that will be unbiased, in line with what is obtainable in other democracies. Because this INEC have been wasting our money, taxpayers' money. The 2023 general election, INEC spent 305 billion. That 305 billion that was given to INEC could have been put to a better use. Yet, it conducted a sham election with 305 billion allocated to it. Conducted a sham election that could not stand any integrity test, which was confirmed by the European Union Monitoring Group. This is the same INEC that budgeted 117 billion for anti-hacking software, deceiving the country that they're going to use technology to make the election better. Many Nigerians who hitherto had no interest in voting in this country, knowing the history of electoral haste in Nigeria. They say with technology, it's going to be free and fair. We will upload it on real time. Results will be uploaded on real time. At the end of the day, they deceived the country and pocketed 117 billion in the name of anti-hacking. When you know you are not using technology, what are you doing with anti-hacking? You know you are not going to use technology. What do you need anti-hacking? You are determined to do manual collection of results and manual announcement of results. It's a total scam to deceive the country that you want to use technology. But then after the election, say, no, we have a right to use anyone we like. We decided to use manual. No country will take that. And already the people have lost confidence in INEC. Ahead of this off-season election, INEC requested for a supplementary budget of 18 billion. And what was the outcome of what they conducted? Another sham. So INEC should not be allowed to conduct the 2027 general election. That election should be conducted by an independent body from outside Nigeria, like the United Nations, because our democracy has been endangered by INEC and politicians. The only way to set it right is to bring people from outside to help us organize it. It cannot, nobody will trust anybody to reorganize this INEC and then anything positive will come out of it. Because reorganizing itself, who is reorganizing it? Is it not the same characters that are in charge that will reorganize it, and you expect it to be INEC to perform in 2027? No. What the country needs is an international body to conduct the 2027 general election. Nigerians have lost confidence in the capacity and the integrity of INEC to conduct any election in Nigeria, because the feelers that are coming out from Kogi, from Imo State, from Bayelsa, shows that INEC cannot be trusted to conduct any election that will be acceptable to most Nigerians. That's my take. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.